Ever wondered how to make your own exfoliating toner at home? Well, wonder no more. Today we are going to break down a simple recipe using everyday ingredients. The star of this concoction is apple cider vinegar, a natural exfoliant that balances your skin's pH. Combined with water to make it skin-friendly and applied with cotton pads or balls, this toner is easy to create and use. First, prepare your workspace. Cleanliness is key, so wash your hands and ensure all your equipment is spotless. Now, let's get mixing. In a clean container, combine equal parts apple cider vinegar and water. A good starting point is a 1:1 ratio, like 1 tablespoon of each. Adjust as needed based on your skin's sensitivity. Before applying this homemade toner, do a patch test on a small area of your skin. Wait for about 24 hours to see if there is any redness, irritation, or other negative reactions. If all is well, it's time to apply the toner. Dip a cotton pad or ball into the mixture and gently smooth it over your cleansed face and neck. Be sure to avoid the eye area. You can also target specific areas of concern, such as acne-prone zones or areas with rough texture. Next, let the toner air dry on your skin. Do not rinse it off, as the ingredients need time to work their wonders. Once the toner has dried, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and balanced. Start by using this exfoliating toner once a day, preferably in the evening, and monitor how your skin responds. If you notice any irritation or dryness, reduce the frequency of use or dilute the solution further. Finally, store any leftover toner in a clean, airtight container in a cool, dark place. Shake the container before each use to ensure the ingredients are well mixed. And there you have it. With regular use, this homemade exfoliating toner can help remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and leave your skin looking refreshed and glowing. Not only is it easy to make, but it's also a natural, cost-effective solution for maintaining beautiful skin.